Now let's solve exam review. Question 1. Choose the best answer and justify. Number 1. X equal 4 power 4, 4 power 4, 4 power 4 plus 4 power 4 equal. Take a common 4, 4 power 4. So 4 power 4 remains 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 4 power 4 times 4. 4 power 4 times 4 is 4 power 5. So the correct answer is C. Number 2. 3 power n minus 3 power n plus 1 over 3 power n equal. 3 power n, take a common 3 power n, remains 1 minus 3 over 3 power n. You can simplify 3 power n by 3 power n, so it's equal 2 minus 3 equal minus 2. Correct answer is B. 3. C is a circle of center O and radius radical 5 cm. ABCD square inscribed circle. To find the side of the square, find BC for example. BOC is right triangle at O, since ABC square and diagonal in square perpendicular, then BOC equal 90 degree. So apply our theorem in right triangle BOC. BC square equal OB square OC square equal radical 5 square. Radical 5 square equal 5 plus 5 equal 10. So BC equal radical 10 centimeter. 4. For x less than or equal 4, find radical 4 minus x square minus 4 minus x. So it's equal 4 minus x square. 4 minus x is positive since x less than or equal 4. So radical 4 minus x square equal 4 minus x minus 4 minus times minus plus x. So equal 4 minus 4 0, x minus x 0. Correct answer is 0. Number 5. 25 3x over 625. So it's equal 5. 25 is 5 square. All power 3x over 625, it is 5 power 4. Equal 5 power 6x over 5 power 4 equal 5 power. It is in the form of a power m over a power n equal a power m minus n. So it is 6x minus 4. 5 power 6x minus 4, so it's equal to 5 power 8. So we can say 6x minus 4 equal 8. So 6x equal 8 plus 4, 6x equal 12. So x equal 12 over 6, which is 2. The correct answer is A. Question 2. Part A shows that A and C are natural numbers. A equal 1 over 4, 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2 square, all power minus 1 plus 9 over 13. So it's equal, first, 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4 times 1 over 2, it is square 1 over 4 divided times 4 over 1, all power minus 1 is 9 over 13 equal, begin multiplication, simplify, so it's equal to 1 over 4 plus 3 over 1, all power minus 1, 9 over 13. So it's equal to 1 over 4 plus 3 over 1 same denominator. We multiply here by 4 and here by 4. 3 times 4, 12, plus 1, 13 over 4, all power minus 1, 9 over 13, so it's equal 13 over 4 power minus 1 is equal to 4 over 13, 9 over 13, 9 plus 4, 13 over 13, so it's equal to 1. C, radical 0.05 times 10 minus 2 radical 5 square, 2 radical 180 plus 4 times minus 5, so it's equal. First remove decimal point, so 5 times 10 power minus 2 times 10 minus 2 radical 5 square, it is in the form of a minus b square, equal a square minus 2ab plus b square, so it's equal to 100 minus 40 radical 5 plus 20 over 2 radical 180 is equal to 6 square times 5 minus 20 equal 5 times 10 power minus 2 and the radical is equal 10 power minus 1 radical 5 times 120 minus 40 radical 5 over 12 radical 5 minus 20 equal 10 power minus 1 radical 5 times 120 is equal to 12 radical 5 minus 10 power minus 1 radical 5 times 40 radical 5, 4 radical 5 square over 12 radical 5 minus 20 equal 12 radical 5 minus radical 5 square 5 times 420 over 12 radical 5 minus 20, so it's equal to 1. Then A equal C equal 1 is natural number. B. Write B in irreducible form. B equal 1 over radical 5 minus 3, 1 over radical 5 plus 3 divided by 3 radical 5 over 2. Rationalize. Multiply by the conjugate of radical 5 minus 3 equal radical 5 plus 3 and radical 5 plus 3. Here multiply by the conjugate of radical 5 plus 3, which is radical 5 minus 3 and radical 5 minus 3. So B equal radical 5 plus 3 over radical 5 square minus 3 square. Radical 5 minus 3 over radical 5 square minus 3 square divided by 3 radical 5 over 2 equal same denominator 5 minus 9 radical 5 square equal 5 radical 3 squared equal 9 radical 5 plus 3 plus radical 5 minus 3 divided by 3 radical 5 over 2 equal 3 minus 3 0 radical 5 plus radical 5 2 radical 5 over 5 minus 9 minus 4 divided by 3 radical 5 over 2 equal 2 radical 5 over minus 4 times 2 over 3 radical 5. Can simplify by 2 by 2 radical 5 by radical 5, so it's equal 2 over minus 2 times 1 over 3 equal minus 1 over 3 is irreducible. Now D equal 2.25 times 10 power 3 all power 3 minus 25 times 10 power 7 over 10 power 7. First, remove decimal point. 225 times 10 power minus 2 times 10 power 3 times 3 9 minus 25 times 10 power 7 over 10 power 7 equal 225 times 10 power 9 minus 2 7 minus 25 times 10 power 7 over 10 power 7 equal, take a common 10 power 7, 225 minus 25 over 10 power 7. Can simplify 10 power 7 by 10 power 7, so it's equal 225 minus 25 equal 200. 200 is not scientific. To be scientific, the decimal point should be here, so it's equal 2 times 10 power 2. Scientific. Question 3. Consider a triangle MNP such that MP and NP are given. Show that MNP are right at M. Right at M and P. So apply Pythagoras theorem. When the Pythagoras theorem is applied, then M and P right triangle. If NP square hypotenuse square equal MP square plus MN square, then it is right. NP is equal radical 22 square MP radical 6 plus radical 5 all square, radical 6 minus radical 5 all square. So radical 22 square 22. Use remarkable identity in the form of a plus b square 6 plus 2 radical 30 plus 5 2 radical 30 plus 5 22 equal 2 radical 30 minus 2 radical 30 0 6 6 12 5 5 22. So M and P right triangle at M using converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Number 2. Calculate the area of M and P. Area of M and P, area of triangle is equal to height times base over 2. The height MP times MN over 2 equal MP radical 6 plus radical 5 times radical 6 minus radical 5 over 2 equal 6 minus 5 over 2 equal 1 over 2 unit square. Question 4. Expand and reduce p of x. P of x equal 9 x minus 1 square minus x plus 4 square. So it's equal 9 x minus 1 square x square minus 2x plus 1 minus x plus 4 square using remarkable identity a plus b square. So it is x square plus 2 times 4 8x plus 16 equal multiply 9 by the bracket 9x square minus 18x plus 9 minus x square minus 8x minus 16. So equal 9x square minus x square 8x square minus 18x minus 8x minus 26x 9 minus 16 minus 17. Number 2. Solve p of x equal minus 7. So take the answer of expand 8x square minus 26x minus 7 equal minus 7. 8x square minus 26x minus 7 plus 7 equals 0. 8x squared minus 26x equals 0. Take a common x. 8x minus 26 equals 0. X equals 0, or 8x minus 26 equals 0. 8x equals 26. X equals 26 over 8 equals 13 over 4. 3. Show that p of x equal to x minus 7 for x plus 1. Factorize p of x. Minus 1 squared minus x plus 4 squared. So it is in the form of a squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared equal a minus b, a plus b. So 3x minus 1 minus x plus 4 and 3x minus 1 plus x plus 4 equal 3x minus 3 minus x minus 4, 3x minus 3 plus x plus 4 equal 3x minus x, 2x minus 7, 3x plus x, 4x plus 1. Factorize q of x. 4x squared minus 28x plus 49, 7 minus 2x, x minus 3. First, 4x squared minus 20x minus 28x plus 49 is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equal a minus b all squared. So it is 2x minus 7 squared. 7 minus 2x, switch 7 minus 2x and put here minus 2x minus 7, x minus 3 equal, take common 2x minus 7, remains 2x minus 7 minus x plus x minus 3 equal 2x minus 7, 2x minus 7 minus x plus 3 equal 2x minus 7, 2x minus x, x minus 7 plus 3 minus 4. Now 4. Solve q of x equals 0. Take answer factorize. Q of x equals 0. So 2x minus 7 into x minus 4 equals 0. 2x minus 7 equals 0, or x minus 4 equals 0. 2x equals 7, x equals 7 over 2, or x equals 4. P of x equal q of x. P of x, 2x minus 7, 4x plus 1 equal q of x, 2x minus 7, x minus 4. 2x minus 7, 4x plus 1 minus 2x minus 7, x minus 4 equal 0. Take a common, 2x minus 7 remains 4x plus 1 minus x minus 4 equals 0. 2x minus 7, 4x plus 1 minus x plus 4 equals 0. 2x minus 7, 3x plus 5 equals 0. 2x minus 7 equals 0, or 3x plus 5 equals 0. So x equals 7 over 2, or x equals minus 5 over 3. Number 5. Let f of x equal p of x over q of x. P of x, 2x minus 7, 4x plus 1 over 2x minus 7, x minus 4. A. For what value of x f of x is defined? f of x is defined for 2x minus 7 different than 0 and x minus 4 different than 0. So 2x different than 7, x different than 7 over 2, and x different than 4. Then simplify f of x. F of x equal, simplify 2x minus 7 to x minus 7, so it's equal 4x plus 1 over x minus 4. B. Calculate f of radical 3 equal 4 radical 3 plus 1 over radical 3 minus 4 equal, first rationalize radical 3 minus 4 multiply by the conjugate of radical 3 minus 4, radical 3 plus 4, and here radical 3 plus 4 equal a minus b, a plus b, radical 3 square minus 4 square. Here 3 radical 3 times radical 3, 4 radical 3 times radical 3, 12. 4 radical 3 times 4, 16 radical 3. 1 times radical 3, radical 3. 1 times 4 plus 4 equal 16 radical 3 plus radical 3, 17 radical 3, 12 plus 4, 16 over 3 minus 16 equal 16 plus 17 radical 3 over 3 minus 16 minus 13. Now solve f of x equal 1. F of x simplified for 4x plus 1 over x plus minus 4 equal 1. Cross multiplication. 4x plus 1 equal x minus 4. 4x minus x equal minus 4 minus 1. 3x equal minus 5. So x equal minus 5 over 3. Question 5. Consider a circle C of center O and radius 3 cm. Center O, radius 3 cm, diameter ML, radius 3 cm, so diameter is 6. The perpendicular bisector of OM, perpendicular bisector passing through the midpoint of MO, so cuts AB, cuts OM at A and B, and intersect OM in D. Draw the figure. This is the figure. Number 2, prove that the triangle MAO is equilateral triangle. MAO. So MA equal AO equidistant, since AO is a perpendicular bisector to MO. OA equal OM, radii in same circle. So MA equal AO equal OM. So AOM is an equilateral triangle. Number 3, show that MAOB rhombus. MAOB rhombus. OB equal BM equidistant. OB equal OM, radii in same circle. So OB equal BM equal OM, and MA equal AO equal OM proved. Then MA equal OA equal OB equal B. So MAOB is rhombus. Now 4. Calculate AD. Triangle AOD right AOD right at G. So using Pythagoras theorem, OA square equal OD square plus AD square. OA square 3 square, OD 1.5 square plus AD square. So AD square equal 9 minus 2.25. So AD square equal 6.75. So AD equal radical 6.75 approximately equal 2.5. Now find AN. To find AN, use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ADN. ADN. Right at D, apply Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ADN. So hypotenuse is AN square equal AD square DN square. AN square equal 6.75 DN 4.5 square equal 27. So AN square equal 27. AN equal radical 27 equal 3 radical 3 centimeter. So AN equal 3 radical 3 centimeter and AD equal 2.5 centimeter. Number 5. Let R be symmetric of O with respect to A. R symmetric of O with respect to A. So A is the midpoint of RO. A midpoint of RO. Prove that MR tangent to C. MR tangent to C. MA equal AO proved. AO equal AR by symmetry. So MA equal AO equal AR. Then MA equal OR over 2 median relative hypotenuse. So RMO right triangle at M. So RM is perpendicular to MO. That means RM tangent to C. Number 6. The tangent to C at B cuts MR in S. Okay, to see cuts MR in S. That's tangent, cuts MR in S. Show that MOB, MOB and S belong to the same circle of diameter to be determined. So SMO equal 90 degree, SBO equal 90 degree tangents. So SMO and SBO, two right triangle of same hypotenuse OS, then M, O, B and S belong to same circle of diameter OS.